Generative AI models and applications of machine learning, day 3. So, Latha madam, participants.
Yes.
Thank you. So, Dr. R Latha, working as a professor and head Department of Computer Science and Applications, St. Peter's Institute of Higher Education and Research, Chennai. She is also qualified as ASRB, CE, and eligibility for lecturership and assistant professors. She received the Best Research Supervisor Award from Shri Charitable Trust, Tirunamalai on November 2023, and Inspirational Women Award 2020 for Distinguished Professor from IARDO. And she received the Global Teacher Award from APS Education, New Delhi. Under her guideship, 21 students are completed the PhD and currently pursuing the 6 patents, 280 plus number of journal publications, and 81 international conferences, 155 national conferences. Out of all these scopes are 38. And she 5 books, and she is the professional membership from CSI, ISTE, ISCA, IASTE, IARDO. Madam, really we are very great honor to have in this workshop, madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
TP, madam. So,
sir, Dr. Prasad, check your connection. I think your voice is breaking. You need to check your connection. Latha, madam, thank you very much. Please proceed, madam.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Let me share my screen. Respected principal of the institution and management authorities, head of the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, and mainly especially the coordinator of this program. I'm very happy and thanks for the opportunity to deliver, to be a part of this national level online faculty development program on generative AI models and applications. Mainly, I'm going to talk about the artificial intelligence tools which are useful for the teaching. Here, I'm Dr. R Latha, and here, if you take artificial intelligence, it is everywhere. Knowingly or unknowingly, all of you are using the artificial intelligence. And if you take this artificial intelligence, what it is exactly, it is in the field of computer science, mainly to create the intelligent machines which are capable of performing the task based on their human intelligence, and also the learning, problem solving, decision making, all those whatever a human can do, that can be performed by a artificial intelligence. If you take this artificial intelligence, it starts from 1950 55, or exactly if we say 1956. That is, if you take the computer science field, it started from 1642 itself. Blaise Pascal started his that is the invention, and then the Ada Lovelace, etc., like that. In 1955, artificial intelligence, the name is coined during the conference, and we started using this artificial intelligence. But even then, each day by day, there is an improvement and new inventions have been happened. And now, if you take, most of the universities have this course on artificial intelligence, and everywhere we are talking about the artificial intelligence. If you take this machine learning, deep learning, what it is exactly? That is, if you take this this machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, and then this deep learning is a subset of machine learning. If you take machine learning, that is, the computers are capable of learning and make the predictions from the already existing data based on the past experience it is performing, that is the artificial intelligence. Now based on the data available, it is learning and performing. That is the main thing of a machine learning. If you take deep learning, this is a subset of machine learning, and it is having multi-layered neural networks similar to a human brain, and it can find out and learn the complex patterns available in the data, and it is also having the computer vision and also natural language processing, and that comes the artificial intelligence. And then mainly if you take the key differences, this machine learning and this one, that is deep learning, leverages more complex neural network architectures and extract the higher level features than the traditional machine learning operations. What is this natural language processing? Nowadays, with the help of artificial intelligence, we are having that voice recognition and so many things we are doing with the help of this natural language processing. The main heading is that understanding the human language, how a human is talking, but with that a seamless interaction between the humans and machines is happening with the help of this AI. And this sentiment analysis, while we are texting the to the computer based on the emotional tone and opinions expressed in the text, the computer is reacting and it is giving the output. And also automated translation, that is, now it is possible to translate from one language to the other language with the help of this natural language processing. And if you take any app, that will be having the chatbots and assistants. Even if it is a phone connection, mobile, Airtel or whatever it is, in that app, as well as if you go for some IRCTC train booking app, everywhere that chatbot is there, and with a natural, similar to the natural conversation, it is communicating with us. And then if you take the computer vision, that is, the computer is taking the images and it is recognizing the digital images and reacting accordingly. That is, image recognition, object detection, and facial analysis is happening. With that, the computer is detecting the obstacles while we are driving the car, and also from the medical image, lot of disease diagnosis is possible with the help of this computer vision. And then robotics and autonomous system, wherever we are not able to perform certain operation, that robots can perform, and also very fastly and in a very fast manner, and also multiple, so many people can work on that. Therefore the robotics is working a lot. If you take in healthcare, finance, transportation, manufacturing, in everywhere that AI is doing its work. And if you take the future of AI, it is having the advancing capabilities, that is, it will reach to a new height and a breakthrough in the natural language processing, computer vision, and also the autonomous system. And mainly it is increasing the automation wherever it is, based on the decision making, revolutionizing workflow and increasing efficiency it can perform. And whatever it is, the main thing is that human and AI collaboration, the communication between the two of them is needed. The human with the AI as a together, as in synergy, only we can do anything. Only AI can't do anything, and only human can't. They can do, but with the AI, it can perform a lot. And then here, what are the challenges and limitations of AI? Because if you take that AI, it's a machine. It don't have any bias or fairness. That is, it will do perform fairly, but it won't have any bias. That is, if it is a human, depends on the opposite person, we will react, but that we can't expect. Interpretability and transparency. That is, it is having a transparency. Whoever it is going to react in the same way. Therefore, transparency is there. Interpretability, it is going to react, that is, it is going to do the decision accordingly, whatever the previous experiences there, based on that it is going to adapt that one. And also data availability and quality is a possibility, safety and security, because we are giving all the data to the AI and it can use it for some other purpose also. Therefore, there lacks the safety and security. And then now we know of so many things about the AI, and we have learned a lot about AI. And especially if you come to AI tools for teaching, that is in the education field, AI is doing a lot, and especially for the teachers as well as for the students. Then the learning experience will be a totally new one. That is, it will be a personalized learning experience, adaptive content. That is, depends on the student. It is adapting. That is, it is changing the content. Suppose you want to learn about a particular topic in depth, then we are able to learn it. If you want to slightly move on through, that is also possible because of the AI. And the intelligent recommendations. Suppose you want to get a supplementary material, and in that material itself you want to learn more about it. That is possible with the help of the intelligent recommendations AI is making, and real-time feedback. Immediately we are able to get the feedback without waiting for somebody. That is, if we are in a traditional way, you'll be writing an exam and then you will wait for the final result after some time. But if it is in AI, immediately we are able to get the feedback or result of all those things. That is, automated grading and feedback is available. It is a consistent evaluation. If you take the evaluation by a faculty, that is, suppose 20 papers they are valuing, the same question, same line in the other paper is there also. Here the teacher can provide 1 mark, there 2 mark, like that is possible. But if it is a machine, it can do only the same thing. 1 mark means it is going to give the same mark only. It is not going to change. Therefore, the consistent evaluation is there, and real-time feedback. Immediately we are able to get the feedback, and also data-driven insights. That is, if there is a data, then based on that we are going to get the output. Therefore, whatever analytics we want to have in a different way, report from any report is possible with the help of the data driven insights. And then here, this personalized instruction, that is intelligent tutoring system, we can say that one, that is depends on the student learning capacity. And suppose the some questions answer will be there. If the students is not able to get full marks, then again the same thing in an elaborated manner, the same material can be in a different way, can be given to the students to learn, and he can again master the concepts, and he can come out with a good results. And also the real-time feedback and data-driven insights is possible. And then there exists a virtual assistance for classroom management. That is, we are able to do the full management of the class through online with the help of the AI. Schedule management, the classes can be scheduled. And if you want to communicate to the students through SMS or through mails, whatever it is, and also translating messages, scheduling meetings, everything between the teachers and student and parents can be done with the help of this virtual assistant. And also this insights and analytics based on the students' performance, attendance, and also what is that? That is depends on the marks also. Some help the teacher can give, or some help that is some materials can be provided. All those things is possible with the help of this AI. And then coming to the teachers have to make the lesson plans, materials, text and multimedia content to be taught in the class. Everything can be done with the help of the AI powered content creation. That is, it will help to give to the students dynamic adaptive content, and always students will be motivated. If you take that is a predictive analytics for student success. That is, if you have AI powered predictive analytic tool, we are able to identify students where they are having a issue, or in particular score of why they were not able to do all those things, and also analyzing the data on student performance, attendance, engagement. Everything can be possible with the help of this AI tool. If you take multimodal learning environments, if we take AI-powered multimodal learning, that is the virtual reality, augmented reality, with that, the students can see text, audio, video, and interactivity and immersive technology will be much more helpful for the students to learn about it. That is, if there is a history students, they can view the places and everything. 360-degree view is possible with the help of the AI, and they can use it. And also with the help of the voice activation, virtual simulation, this AI-driven multimodal tool transform the classes in and online platform in a very good environment for learning. If you take the ethical consideration in AI-assisted teaching, algorithmic bias, that is, this AI systems can reflect and amplify the societal biases, potentially disadvantaging certain students. That is, fairness and inclusivity is crucial and needed for AI-powered education. And privacy and data protection, that is, students' data, or teacher data, or even the materials and everything, if you are uploading, and there may be a security issue will be there, and the transparency and accountability is also needed. That will help human AI collaboration. And then coming to the future of AI in education, because AI technologies continue to advance each and every day. Therefore, with the integration of AI-powered tools in education, there is a long way students learn and teachers instruction. Everything will be a positive side, and the personalized learning and intelligent tutoring and the predictive analytics empower the educators to deliver more effectively and engaging the educational experiences. There are 50 plus more than AI tools are available for teachers for research, image, copywriting, chatbot, presentation, for creating the logo, audio, marketing. And if you see AI chart and speech tools, AI artwork generators, and also AI writing tools, AI speech to text transcription, AI visual editors, AI video tools, lot and lots of tools are available. If you take the top AI tools are Skrill AI, Cognil, Duolingo, ChatGPT, Grammarly, and etc. etc. The continuing development of this generative artificial intelligence tools, which are capable of producing the natural language, computer codes, images, or other media, has a potential to impact in the teaching and learning in many ways. And then here, this artificial intelligence algorithms, it can analyze vast amounts of educational data to identify patterns and trends and helps the educators to make a data-driven decisions to enhance the teaching strategies. Here, if you take the AI tools for education, we need to have a personalized learning tools that is based on the adaptive learning platform. That is, the materials should be adjusted based on the student performance and recommendation engines. We have to suggest resources based on the student interest, and AI powered tutors, it is going to offer a personalized instruction. And assessment and feedback tools, automated grading systems, grade assignments, and writing assistants will provide the feedback on grammar and style. And also the performance analysis tools analyze the student data to predict performance. And the engagement and support tools, interactive learning simulations, it will help us to practice the skills in a very safe environment. And game-based learning platforms motivate the students with a gamification, and virtual reality and augmented reality experiences will create an immersive learning environment for the students to learn the new experiences. And also the accessibility tools, that is text to speech tools, it can convert the text to audio, audio to text, and also the language transition tools, especially those language translation tools for the, converting from English to mother tongue is going to be a very helpful for the students to learn about the most important concepts and techniques. And also this administrative tools, speech recognition tools, interaction through voice commands, and administrative tools, chatbots that does answer not only the student questions, any questions can be answered, but provided some selected way of writing the questions is also needed, and automated scheduling systems to manage the class schedules. And then mainly that we have to be very careful about three things to know about the AI tools. Needs to start teaching our students how AI generation tools work, and used intentionally, AI tools can augment and enhance the student learning even towards the traditional learning goals. And we need to update our learning goals for students in light of new AI, and that can be a good thing. Now, we have seen so many tools. Let me show you some tools that is going to help you to create that will be useful in our teaching, especially ChatGPT. ChatGPT, everyone will be knowing that what exactly it is. That is, it is a machine learning tool and can shift through large amounts of data. That is more than that. Is usually we used to think that Google is the only place we will be able to get any information. Excuse me. But here in this ChatGPT, we are able to get lots and lots of information. That is, examples, if you want to learn about quantum computing in simple terms, we will be able to. And if you want to make a PPT, you are able to. If you want to write a poem, we are able to. If you want to make some article you want to write, that also possible. But if you are doing everything, now students started writing the assignments from ChatGPT, but that is having the plagiarism, because everyone is using the same ChatGPT. Definitely there will be a issue in doing that one. Therefore, we have to teach the students what to take, what not to take. They can get the information, but they have to study and write their own. Okay. Therefore, here, I'll show you some ChatGPT also. And if you take summarizing the YouTube contents, especially if sometimes there will be a very lengthy YouTube will be there, YouTube video will be there, and people will be asking you to go through the video and then tell me what it is in that. Previously, what we used to do, we will be seeing the YouTube fully, and then we will make a note of what are the important concepts, what are the important points they are telling. But now there is a this summarized tech AI powered tool. This tool will help you to prepare the contents, whatever they have told in the YouTube video, as a PDF file. This is a wonderful tool. I learned about this tool with only one of the faculty. I asked her to go through one YouTube video, and then what is the important point, you tell me, ma. Then in a second she sent me the information. How come it is done? Then she showed me this one. That is, with the help of this summarize.tech, if I give that YouTube video link, it is going to give me the full content about that YouTube video as a PDF. And I got a 2-page full content of that YouTube video. It was a wonderful thing. That is, it is powered by the ChatGPT and main AI tool for remote learning and also online education. It summarizes the subject matter to give a gist of the theme and topic in the video format. And here you can copy the URL link of the YouTube lecture, and we will get the content immediately, and especially the main key points. It summarizes any lengthy YouTube video, example lectures and everything. It is quick and easy to use, and it is free also, and it is available in the link, and you are able to use that one. And then the next one is a Quizlet. Quizlet is what it is. This is a AI powered writing tool. It is a best AI tool for education, and it helps to make some quiz questions, flashcards, practice question, but this will help the students to memorize and presentation and also exams and everything with the help of the flashcards and all. And we are able to make some practice tests as well, scoring better to make the students score better in the examination. And also studying will be more interesting for the students with the help of this flashcards and everything. This is a Quizlet one. And Wolfram Alpha is another tool created by Wolfram Research Center, and it is a problem solving AI tool, and it can it can provide you easy answers and step-by-step solutions for any problems given. And here it is a real world data is just offered to the users. And the next is QueryPod. This is another AI tool for educators and students, and can help them to create the interactive lectures and presentation for education. And it is guides the users with the translations for various text samples. And also the teachers can easily generate the AI lessons and activity generators, and the interactive session is possible. Next is a ClassPoint AI. ClassPoint AI is another tool that is quiz questions through PowerPoint slides, and also interact with the AI creator through provoking questions and answers. Various types of questions can be generated, and it is supporting various languages also, simplifies the process of creating questions, and it supports the Windows desktop also. Limited options for educators and students, that is free version can do a little only compared to other that is, or otherwise you have to buy that premium version. That is, if you see so many other things also, all these, this is a free one. Quizlet is having the free available, and all those things are having the free part is available, so that we can create the materials. And Jalisa is another interactive AI tool. That is, in this tool, we can create various games and some rewards also it is granting to the students. Therefore, students will be very much like to learn through the Jalisa. And it is the peer support connects. That is, if you are, when you are using this one, we are able to communicate with the peer students, and we can discuss with them, and we can get to know some doubts, and clarifications also can be done. Therefore, this is a AI powered student tool. And then here, EPT is an AI website with learning tools which convert any piece of information into question and answers and flashcards. It is one of the best AI tool for education. From filling in the blank to multiple choice questions, you can develop a diverse range of questions with ease. And also here, it is an interactive learning tool, affordable, and provides superior quality content. And it is having 2000 character limit for extended text input. If you go for the premium version, you will be getting more. And then this Khan Academy, Conmigo, this efficiently uses the artificial intelligence, and it is considered as one of the best AI tool for education. And it helps the student directed learning, quick feedback, and has tools for engaging sessions. It is said to be different from the regular AI, helps the students with diverse subjects like mathematics, reading, writing, computer science, and etc. And this is also a personalized tutoring and feedback is possible in this. And then next, this Khan Academy, this is mainly used by the US people only, and it's not free for our Indian users. And then if you come to the main one, course box, especially for the teachers, we can create the courses with the help of this artificial intelligence. And here, creation and designing the course in under 1 hour. Within an hour, we are able to create a course with the guidance of the course editor. And features like event calendar, event management, knowledge management, everything can be done. And we can form the quizzes, questions with the tools provided by the course box. And features like event calendar, event management, knowledge management, helping enhancing your course. And multiple languages also can be used. There are limitations in designs and layouts. That is, everything they are providing in free, and making us to get used with that and also get interested with that. Later on, what it is, if you pay something, then only with the premium one, we are able to do lot of other things. Okay. And then here, Teach Anything is another AI education assistant. It is considered as the best AI tool for education. And here also it is giving us high quality content with the help of OpenAI GPT, and also question and answer tool for the education. And it is very simple and user friendly. It does not provide reliable answers, and privacy and security is also a main thing in this when you are using this Teach Anything. Now I am showing one app, that is Gamma.app. app. That is, with the Gamma.app, app, we are able to create or generate the PowerPoint presentation. See, you might have noticed that in one of my slides, I showed you that is Gamma, that is created by Gamma app, like that it will come. That is, I tried using this Gamma app, and if free version, it will allow you to get 10 slides from this Gamma app, and you can create a sign up for free. And with that, you will be having your own workspace, and with the workspace you are able to create. I'll show you some live example also, how to create also. It will be much more helpful if you are preparing some immediately, or within some time you have to create and all, you can do that one. And I'll show you that also. And then here I'm going to show you another PPT, and that is made with the help of the artificial intelligence. And this will be a very interesting PPT. Hope you are like this one. That is, it is showing you, hi audience, welcome. And then here, I'm clicking on introduction. I'm getting that introduction page, and I'm clicking on objectives. Then I'm getting my objectives, and then this techniques. And in that topic 1, the first technique is tokenization, and topic 2 is that named entity recognition, and topic 3, that is another one, topic 4, topic 5, like that. I'm able to get all the techniques on the screen, and then conclusion I'm able to get it. And then after getting that conclusion, I'm able to personalize. Then it is you want to end up, then it is showing that thank you for listening and shutting down. That is, it's a very nice PPT, and proud to say that it was created by undergraduate student of my institution. And it was nice to see that how they have done it with the help of the links and all. They made that PPT, and with the help of AI, it is very easier to do that one in a very nice one. And also, if you take that summarization of literature review by ChatGPT, that is for the review and all, research and review, we will be able to do that one with the help of the ChatGPT. And this ChatGPT, I'll show you one YouTube video. Hope you'll be able to see that one.
Want that summary of this paper, right? So we can take only first 5, right? Just take first 5, and here you type please summarize the following research paper. Okay. And then we can paste it here. Now we can see that whether what will be going to happen in the ChatGPT. Here you can see that. So here the ChatGPT is summarize the each paper, right? So we need the summarization, right? For writing literature survey, right? So we want that the summary of this paper, right?
Hope you are able to see that one. Therefore, like that, we are able to get that summarization also. Let me show you this. This is ChatGPT screen. In that ChatGPT screen, that is with the help of OpenAI, I can do that one. You have to sign up for this or log in to that one. You can log in with the help of the Microsoft login, or with the Google login. You are able to do that one. And if you go there, you will be able to get that is, if you want to create a content calendar, or test my knowledge, help me back, like that, everything we are able to do that one. If I am saying that messaging chat GPT, tell me about the weather. You can see that one. It is messaging. I can't provide real-time information because we came to know that up to 2021, whatever information uploaded, based on that only that ChatGPT is working. Therefore, if you are asking the real-time data, it won't be able to do. Therefore, if I'm saying something else, what it is, what is the capital of tell me about Bhimavarm, Andhra. It is giving a lengthy information. Bhimavarm is a town located in the West Godavari, etc., etc. About the Bhimavarm village, sorry, town. It is giving all the information. Therefore, either you can get the information, or you can get any that is some information, article content, whatever it is possible with the Chat GPT. And I hope you are able to get some idea. Let me go to this Gamma one. This is also a Gamma.app. For that also you can sign up for free, and you can create any PPT from that. That is here. I'm going to create a new one. Here, suppose you are having a text and you are giving the text and you are asking the ChatGPT to Gamma app to make a PPT. Here, what it is, let me do that one. I'm going to give you the information and presentation I want to have it. Therefore, if I'm giving, and what would you like to do that one? I gave that Bhimavarm content, and then I asked for presentation. Then it is asking, that is whether you want 8 slides. Yes, I'm telling that 8 slides. Now it is asking what is the theme you want to have. Therefore, let me select this pink color theme. Okay, now yes, generate. Therefore, if I'm giving the name as generate, then what it is doing it is creating. But I think I didn't say that because it is Bhimavarm, it started doing it in Telugu language. I have to find out how I can change it to. I have to find out how it is going to be to change the languages. Usually, but this is the first time because of the Bhimavarm. I think I got this one, this tab. It's showing some good pictures and other thing. Let me find out how I can change that languages. But anyway, you are able to get a very nice presentation because of that Gamma. Therefore, either you can get this, or you can go for some new also we can create it. That is, now I'm going to generate a new presentation with that is, I think that I have to select that in the beginning and with the language, but I haven't selected the first stage. Now what it is, I want to generate, therefore what I want to have it. Um, Let me do it education, or let me do it at the national education policy. First, it will create some 8 cards with the uh, outline only. If I'm saying continue, and it is going to give us, and I can select any option, that is which how I can have my slides. And after I doing that, I'm going to give that generate. Then I'm able to get the PPT with the 8 slides. I'm able to get it. Introduction to the National Education Policy. It is providing so many pictures also, and also it is giving a wonderful presentation. But anyway, being a faculty, we have to go through that and check it out whether everything is perfect and also correct. Therefore, then we can do that one. Therefore, this is a very nice one. Now I can skip it and I can store that PPT. And the thing is that I can download the PPT also in this link, and I can save it in my folder also. Therefore, this is a very nice one. I'm able to get a PPT, and it is showing it was prepared by myself also. That is in whichever mail ID you are using. Based on that, it is showing the picture by that one also. This full PPT is editable and you can change anything in that, so that you will be able to get that one. Therefore, this is a very nice one. Therefore, it will help you to create the PPT in a very short manner. If you go for some premium version and all, then we can have that is a more number of slides. We can get it in this one. Therefore, this is very nice way to create this one, and tips and tricks like that. And also we can create by giving the paste text, and also new one can be generated. And also suppose we are having a PPT without any decoration and without any font and other things. If you give that, then it will ask you to give certain things. That is, it will check, and it will give you some methods, and it will ask you to do all those things. Therefore, this is a very nice way to use this Gamma app. And therefore, you can try with this. Okay. Now, we have seen all those things. Why we will be thinking that what it is, always we are, if we are using the artificial intelligence, whether human is not going to have any jobs hereafter, it is going to take over and all. Whatever it is, only with the human intervention, we can make it possible. Let me show this picture. This is a picture which is Mother Teresa fighting against poverty. That is, it was created by AI. By giving this title, AI created the image like this. But this is a very awkward one. But the thing is that if you see that, if you are a human only can find it, whether it is a best one or a bad one, and everything that can be done by the people only. Therefore, without human, AI can't do anything. Only with the human and AI, we are able to do a wonderful thing in our life. Okay. Let me complete with this. And if you are having any queries, I'm ready to answer.
So participants, if you wish to interact with Professor, you can unmute yourself and you can have your interaction, please.
Ma'am, Roslyn here. Good afternoon.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. I'm able to hear you.
Okay, ma'am. Usually I have the habit of just noting down the important points when the PPT, when the presentation is going on. But today it was fully jam-packed, and the slides also moved a little bit, and I had to look at the demo also. So could you please share the PPTs with us as soon as the session is over, ma'am?
Sure, ma. Because I want to give a lot of information, but
Yeah.
because it is a generative AI model, AI workshop, I thought that the basic concepts will be already known by the other people might have taught you. That's what I
Yes.
went immediately to AI tools,
Yeah.
teaching tools. And therefore,
Yeah.
I will
Yeah. Yeah.
definitely share the PPT.
Because it was very fast, and it was very difficult for me to look there and write it down also. That's the reason.
Okay,
Thank you,
okay.
ma'am. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Any other participant wish to
Good afternoon,
talk
ma'am.
with the professor?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell AI tools for research?
Ma'am, you told about common AI, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Ma'am, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ma'am, are you using a free version or paid version, ma'am?
Sir, just now I'm using only the free version, sir. And free versions are
Okay, ma'am.
also allowing us to generate this PowerPoint presentation. Nearly 40 presentations we can make. Afterwards, we can go for the premium version and all. Provided in the institution, if
Okay,
they are
ma'am,
buying, and give it to you.
Ma'am, only limited slides we are able to generate. Am I correct, ma'am? Using
Yes,
free
sir.
version.
40 PPTs we can be able to generate with the free versions itself.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Actually, ma'am, I am working for cost management. Then I am finding the tools are artificial intelligence are not working properly. I have asked more questions for Chat GPTs and Google Bard, but they are not getting the proper solutions. If you have any software to or AI tools for suggesting the costing problems or accounting problems,
Sir, especially that is, there are lots of tools. You have to find out which is for the finance and marketing, and like costing, and that tool you have to use it, sir. If you take generally ChatGPT, that is having vast information, and that won't fit into that. Especially for finance, what is that? That you have to look into, sir. I'll share that PPT. In that there is a variation for which marketing, what it is. I think I can share, show you
okay.
that. In that they have mentioned for marketing the that is Sendbird, Simplified, Try Pencil, Ad Copy.
Okay, ma'am.
I'll
Thank you.
share that if you
Hello.
want.
Hello, Mo. Good day. Hello.
Hope you are able to see the screen. And in that it is marketing, and for finance like that, it will be like that. Therefore, marketing means definitely it will be having that tools. Therefore, you can check that and you can find it out how it is possible.
Okay, ma'am. Fine, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Hello. Good afternoon, Mo. Hello.
Hello.
I am audible.
Yes, sir. You are audible.
So how can Gamma app generate a business plan? And also, what are the requirements that I can put so as to generate my?
Sir, it's not clearly you are audible, but feeble voice. I was not able to hear you.
So can you? I am audible now.
Yes, sir. You are audible.
Yes, I say, how can Gamma app generate a business plan?
Business plan.
Yeah.
You have to try with that. You can generate, and it is having lot of thing like PPT generation. We are able to do it in that.
Okay.
In that we can make a try. You want me and you want to see that live? I'll try.
Okay.
I'll try and I will see how come it is. I have shared the screen and I will try. Create
Okay.
new and
Okay.
generate presentation. That will be business plan for
Oh, company, small company.
small company.
Yeah. like fashion company, fashion design company.
Fashion design. It is giving the executive summary and everything. These are the outlines, and
Okay.
then we'll see how it is going to generate.
Okay.
Okay, let me see. Continue. And let me give this screen to generate. Because we have given fashion designing, some pictures are coming as like this.
I see.
Yes, therefore this is the presentation.
Okay.
First screen, company overview, our mission, values, and etc. Market analysis, products and services.
Okay.
Therefore, if you are presenting to a person about your business plan, these are the things you are supposed to give like that. It is showing us, and
Okay.
also some pictures. Also, it is operations and management, design, quality control, production, financial projections, and also conclusion and next step. Because it is giving us some 8 slides. Therefore, it is showing some picture like this. And you can get the business plan in ChatGPT for a small company, and you can give the text also to this Gamma app, so that it will also develop as presentation and give it to you. For
Okay.
Elevate Fashion, a cutting edge design studio like that. And
Yeah.
if you download this one, and if you want to change any content, whatever way you want, you can change it. If you want to change the picture, you can do. And if you want to change the title, anything is possible. But with that, and you can change the font or content, pictures, everything is possible. But it is a nice one to get to know from that. And I can get it as a export it as a PowerPoint, or as exporting as a PDF is also possible.
Yeah. So how can I put my information like expenditures?
Expenditures.
Yeah.
That's what, if you are going to prepare a text, you want this and that, and like that, if you are having the content, and then you give that content to the Gamma app, then automatically it will show you that is how that will be posted. It will show you some options. Therefore, with that option, you can use it, this one or that one, like that.
Okay.
Give the content, it can do. Or if you want the content also to be got from that, you can get it from the ChatGPT, and then you can post it here. But this Gamma app is also working with the help of the ChatGPT only.
Okay.
Therefore, you can and then you can import, means you can give the PPT with a white background and only that contents, and then if you are giving it to them, then it will put some design and show it to you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Very good.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to hear me, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. You are audible.
Thank you so much for the wonderful presentation, ma'am. My one doubt is the Gamma.app is generating only a limited amount of PPTs, or we can set the count for the PPTs and increase it also, ma'am?
That is 40 PPTs you can generate with the free version, ma. And then if you want to have more number of slides and etc., you have to pay for the premium plan.
Each PPT will be of only some limit, 8 to 10 PPTs, 10
Yes,
slides only, ma'am.
that is like that only. If suppose you want to have more than 16 slides or 20 slides, means you can split your content into 2, and you can give it as a 8 slides first for the first topic, and then second topic if you give, and you will get another 8 slides like that also. You can use it now.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, one more thing, ma'am. We can get the proper prompt and get the text from the chat GPT and use it for the Gamma app for
That also can be done.
preparing a presentation.
Yes, ma. Yes, ma. That's what I told you, no? Whether with the help of that is new, if you give the topic itself, it will be sharing. Or otherwise, you can give the text, and for the text, you can ask them to prepare the this one. That's what I showed you here. That is create new. Here you can paste a text, and with the text, it can create a app. Or you can generate, means right from the scratch. If you are giving the title, it will generate one. And then if you take this import file, in that you can give a PPT that will be having the only the in a blank one content only you have. If you give that,
Okay.
it will that one, and it will create a different with the pictures and also font and other designs and everything. It will add up. You can try
Thank
now.
you so much.
Then only are
Thank you
able
so much,
to.
ma'am. We need your PPTs, ma'am. They will be very helpful for us.
Sure, definitely I'll share. Okay,
Thank
especially
you,
the
ma'am.
teachers, means we have to share with each other. Then only it will be best.
Yes, ma'am. Truly, ma'am. Truly.
Surely,
Thank you so much,
I will
ma'am.
send it to sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you for the wonderful sharing, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
This is Janardhan, ma'am.
Ah,
Ma'am, out of curiosity, I'm going to ask one question.
yes, sir.
Ma'am, that is actually, as of you in your discussion, you said that without human intervention, AI is not supposed to be work, right?
No,
That is
it
not
can
going to be
work,
successful.
but the human have to do that. That is whatever it is doing. We can't simply do that one. We have to check, okay, whether it is doing it properly and all. That is, even now that PPT can be generated, you have to go through whether it is giving the proper content. If it is not, means then without checking, we can't directly take and present it to someone or give it to someone. We have to check. That is in certain things. I told you already, the chat GPT is using only up to 2021 data only. Recent data are not uploaded, and it is not giving us the exact values. Therefore, we have to check everything, whatever it is preparing also.
That's okay, ma'am. Like the question here, the question is in this particular context, how the AI applications and how the AI is going to be implemented in various fields like healthcare, like that. How they are implementing now itself. There is no much accuracy without human involvement. The AI is not only suggestible, right?
We can't say suggestible. See now in that is what it is, Facebook and Instagram and everywhere, you might have seen that ad. That is, instead of doing some 5 hours work in 10 minutes time and etc. like that, now AI is helping us to make our job easier by doing it in a lesser time. That is, I recently I saw that ad, and because I was supposed to do the session, I joined in that class, and I happened to know that with the help of that AI tool in Microsoft Excel, we are able to index all the pages within a single second with the help of a AI tool add-on. Okay, therefore, like that, lot of things are available in by Excel, my MS Office, and everything that will be helpful for the people to do their work in a very fast manner. Therefore, for that purpose, now AI is helping. Like the same, if you take some robotic instruments, where that is some building was collapsed or some earthquake happens, in that place, the human can't go inside and find out whether a person is there or not. In that place, that AI machines or the robots are helpful. Like that, depends on the situation, depends on the area, wherever we are able to use it, we can use it. We can't simply say that we can't use the AI. We have to use the AI, but for what purpose, that we have to think about it. And slowly after that is, now we are in this year 2024, maybe in 2030 or in 2045, everywhere we might be using it. In that, we will be getting a very good version of all those instruments.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I think so. It's 1 year back. I think so. I have gone through one newspaper in that the Microsoft directly announces that within 15 to 20 years, we need not any manpower like that. That means with the AI only we are going to do all the things like that. They announced. I have seen one article, but in that
But the thing
case,
is that, even that, one people is need, but that is instead of 10 people in a place, 2 people might be needing. That the number of persons might be lessened is possible, but without human intervention, it is not possible. That is my way of answering. That is, people
in
is
that-
needed, but not so many people. With a less number of people, they can do the work. Because
in that,
instead of 5 hours, that same job can be done with the help of macros in MS Office. We are able to do it in a very fast manner within a very short time. Therefore, no need to for many people to work in an organization. Therefore, the works what we are going to do after 10 years will be different. We will be creating some programs and macros for artificial intelligence. The developers will create instead of doing the Excel work or PPT works, and instead of that, they will be doing that.
in that case,
Or
actually,
they will
if you
do.
go for ma'am, in that case, if you go for any institution or college or like that, in that case, there is no need of us, right? So
No,
instead of
if
10
you-
members, 10 faculty members, 2 faculty members are more than enough, like that.
No, not like that. That is, we are having that mentor system. The
Sir.
teachers will be able to create the PPTs or contents, everything with the help of the AI, and using that they can teach. But that the teachers can do it in a very easy manner compared to the other one. But the teachers cannot be replaced by the machines. Now I have seen one WhatsApp, one teacher itself is a robot is doing that one. But whatever it is, that also have to be monitored, and all teachers as a mentor, and also teachers are needed for the any institution, and they can't be replaced by machines, or numbers cannot be reduced in any institution.
Prasad sir, we can.
That is, our works will be easier, sir. Therefore, teachers can be benefited. That is possible.
Hello,
Thank you,
ma'am.
madam.
Thank you, sir.
Ma'am, one small
Very
doubt, ma'am.
happy.
Solung, sir.
Tell me, sir.
Sir, please give me 1 minute time.
Sir,
Ma'am,
please.
is that presentation is generating the graphs also based on the given data?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is possible.
Okay,
That
okay.
is,
Thank you, ma'am.
charts also in a different, that is, if I with Microsoft Excel, if we are using that designer, so that is, I can tell that word also, Microsoft MS Office for web, like that. If you search, you are able to get Microsoft 365 version. In that version, in the web, you are able to use the MS Excel. That Excel will be having a designer at the last one. That with that designer, and also with the analytic one, we are able to analytics tool, we are able to get charts for many people. That is, many for a same content, different types of charts will be shown. You can select which type of chart you want, and that you can show. Therefore, chart is possible in the MS Excel. That is, in now itself you can experience with the MS Office for web 365 one.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Thank you very much, madam, because next speaker is ready. That's why I'm stopping. Sorry
Okay.
for that one, madam.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'll be
Madam,
leaving.